Welcome back to Session 13 of GED Geometry Review. Surface area measures the outside covering of a three-dimensional solid, the total area of all its faces. Because it covers flat faces, surface area is measured in square units. A great way to see surface area is to unfold the solid into a net. A net lays every face out flat, so you can find each area and add them all up. A box unfolds into 6 rectangles. That gives us the formulas. For a box, surface area is 2 times length times width, plus length times height, plus width times height. For a cube, since all 6 faces are identical squares, it is simply 6s squared. Let's try a cube with edge 3. Each face is 3 squared, which is 9. There are 6 faces, so 6 times 9 is 54. Surface area is 54 square units. Now, a box that is 3 by 2 by 2. The 3 face pairs are 6, 6, and 4. Add them, 16. Then double, 32. The key mistake is giving cubic units for surface area, or confusing it with volume. Surface area covers faces, so it is always square units. Volume fills the inside and uses cubic units. Quick check. What is the surface area of a cube with edge 5? 6s squared is 6 times 5 squared, which is 6 times 25, or 150 square units. To recap, surface area is the total of all the faces. A cube is 6 times s squared, and a box is 2 times L times W plus L times H plus W times H. Keep it in square units, never cubic. Well done. Fold and unfold a few solids in your mind, and I'll see you in the next session.